छूना ना छूना ना, छूना ना छूना ना, ला 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 ला।
That's insane. Why do people do this?
Exactly, like अगर दिख रहा है कि लाइट रेड है तो फिर क्यों चल रहा है?
Exactly. Even in the previous clips that we saw, there were strict instructions of not doing the action, but then people still did it. And I was just like, wow, that's interesting.
I mean, seriously, I don't understand. लोग ऐसा क्यों करते हैं?
That's a very, very good question.
Students of NMIMS College from the Psych department, and we are conducting an experiment on the boomerang effect to see if an action or message that we put out, whether behaviors are opposite to what was intended from the message. So you have participated in this study, and the clip that we've gotten, we're going to use that in a movie that is going to be screened at our college fest. So if you consent to participating and having your clip shown, then would you mind signing these consent forms? An action or message that has been displayed, whether behaviors are opposite to the intended message. So your participation has been recorded, and the clip that we have taken is going to be a part of a film that will be screened in our college fest. So if you agree and you consent to...
Sure, I consent. Do I need to sign this?
Yeah, you need to put your initials and sign.
अब समझा तुम लोग को? नहीं, I mean I'm still confused.
Same.
Okay, but you guys got the basic idea, right? Okay, so what did we see? We saw that there were two conditions. One where there was a board that said do not touch or move the blocks, and one where there wasn't a board. And in both conditions, we still saw that people were very intrigued by the fact that there were Jenga blocks, especially in the one where there was a board. People were like going and touching the blocks or moving the blocks despite of it saying do not touch. And when there wasn't a board, they were still very interested with the fact that there was just a random pile of Jenga blocks in the middle of nowhere. So even without like a intention of saying no, they still went and did the action anyways. So apparently this is something called the boomerang effect. Wait, I found a video the other day. Maybe this will help explain things better.
Do you know what a boomerang is?
This.
No, genius, like the boomerang effect.
Okay, so basically it's the idea when you have been told not to do something, you're more likely to do it.
You know what's surprising? Actually, the number of people that actually do this. Like in the experiment that we saw, more than 60 to 70% of people actually touch the Jenga blocks after being told not to.
Yeah, when you factor in the statistical analysis, so the chi-square number suggests quite a high association between the moving of the blocks and the sign being present.
But doesn't Kramer suggest that there's a moderate effect size?
What do you mean?
I mean, like, there could possibly be other factors affecting it.
Yeah, definitely. There is always a scenario where extraneous variables are always to be considered, especially in a social setting.
Right. But now that you know this, though, will you stop doing things when you're told not to?
No, but it has an interesting application. Like now I know when I want someone to do something, I shouldn't force them because they are going to resist it even more.
So, in a way, I should tell everyone not to watch this video?
Absolutely.
Don't like and share, guys. Chuna na, la 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 la.